Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dot text effect like this in Affinity Photo. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Affinity Photo and get started. So first, create a new document. Any size will do. Then type a text. Then right click on the text layer and rasterize it to make it into pixel layer. After that, use float fill tool and fill the background of this layer. I'm going to use white color. So I suggest you to use white color as well because we're going to remove the background in the end. And I'm going to tell you the reason later. Okay, then go to filters and apply motion blur and set the radius around 20 pixel. After that, go to layer, new light filter layer, colors and apply halftone effect. I use light filter so that I can always change the value later if I want. Okay, and then set the cell size to around 5 to 10. I'm going to set it to 5 and set the contrast to 100. Okay, and you can also adjust the screen angle, opacity and blend mode. And there are two types of dot you can choose. This is cosine and then this is round. And there are also 4 different screen that you can choose. This is monochrome, this is color, this is line and circular. After that, close the effect and it's done. Okay, so why do we need to fill the background with color? Because let me show you what happens if you don't fill the color. I will apply halftone effect. And as you can see, nothing will happen because there's no gradient color, because that's how this effect works. Okay, so you need to fill the background color. Okay, and why do I apply motion blur? Okay, so let me merge down this layer. Because if I don't apply motion blur, the dot won't be so visible. Okay, you can see the difference. It's just to make it more visible. Okay, and then I'm going to show you another tips that you can use. So I will make another text. And then for this one, I will apply gradient overlay. And because I already apply gradient overlay, if I fill the layer, it will look like this. So I cannot fill the background with this layer. Okay, so I'm going to create a new layer and fill the background color in this layer. Then I'm going to merge it down. Okay, after that, it's optional. You can add motion blur if you want, but I won't add it to this layer. So I'm going to apply halftone effect. And it will look like this. So it will look like the text is fading from this side. Okay, and one last step, we're going to remove the background layer. So select the layer and then go to select and select sample color. Then click on white color and adjust the tolerance to 100%. Then click apply and press delete. Okay, I'm going to remove the white color on this layer as well. Go to select sample color, click on white color and adjust the tolerance to 100%. Click apply. Okay, and it's done. So that was how to create a dot text effect in Affinity Photo. And this is the final result. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.